My wife and I had just bought our first house. We had only just gotten married. We were moving from quite a small apartment into now a 2-story heritage home. We came home with an entire truck and a van full of furniture that I can use in my house. I liked the connection that the people selling the stuff were involved. That was a big factor to me. I like when I buy something to know its history. It just happened that once again, MaxSold, there was a person who was selling off pieces of their estate, and I found chairs which beautifully match. That they're quarter-sawn oak chairs. They're a nice, elegant style that go with it. A full set of chairs for the table when it's fully pulled out. We have extra chairs. I'm not contributing more and more waste to landfills. That it fits in with my own personal environmental ethics, while at the same time, I can get furniture that is beautifully handcrafted of a quality and a level that you wouldn't be able to even buy anymore.